Hello folks. In this video tutorial we'll be creating this watercolor paint effect. The size of the document that'll using is 1920 by 1080 and 300 ppi. I begin by creating a gradient for the background with a yellow color in one side, and the other will be white. This will be a radial gradient. Now, I will drag this texture. And I scale it. I set the blend mode to soft light, and I lower the opacity to 50%. I like to keep things organized, so I select this 2 layers, I drag it to the icon folder to group them, then I rename it. I take now the photo of the man, which I have masked already, by using the magic wand tool. I'll scale it and position it. I make some color corrections with the levels adjustment layer. I put the posterize and threshold adjustment layers to make a subtle comic effect to the man. In the posterize, I enter 11. Remember to make clipping masks to affect only the man layer. With the threshold I will set the blending mode to soft light, the opacity to 30%, then I also group it. Let's make the drip paint effect by selecting the drips PNG file. Feel free to scale it and position it whatever you want. I put a white color just to view the drips layer better. I create a layer mask to the man. Now, I will make a selection only to the drips layer, by pressing and holding Ctrl or Command, then clicking in the layer. Now, select the man layer mask, and after that, take the brush tool with a soft or hard brush and black color. I need to inverse the selection. Now I can paint in the layer mask, only in the bottom part of the drips. Press and hold Alt or Option in the mask and click to view it. I can hide or delete the drips layer and deselect. And there I have the effect. But I will do something more to spice this effect. I double-click in the layer to bring up the Layer Style dialog box. I will put a bevel and emboss effect, and I adjust the angle. And also I put a shadow. If you get this weird thing, just take the brush tool and delete some parts. Now take the splashes PNG file to Photoshop. I will select the 4 splashes individually with the lasso tool, then bring them to the design. The process is the same, so I will skip it. I select all the splashes layers, and I change the blending mode to multiply. I create a new layer for the additional splatters brushes, which you can download it from the link in the description. And here in this folder we have all the splatters. Just select any of these, resize and paint as you like with any colors. Now, I have completed the design for this tutorial. Download the assets and the free final PSD file in the description below. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video.